Well, hello, ladies and gentlemen, I'm back, and I bet you didn't expect to see me so soon, huh? Yeah, me neither. So it completely slipped my mind. I actually already had these delivered, it's just my mom never told me some packages arrived, and I guess with the world probably ending soon, and everything else going on, I guess I just forgot, but guys, I promise it'll be a quick one. Just want to showcase the new official Apple cases for the iPhone 11 Pro line. Sadly, yet again, no updates to the regular leather cases, and no new leather folios either. We only get 3 new silicone cases. Best yet, again, if you want to engage bougie mode though, each of these cases has a matching sport band that also released alongside them. So in case you want to go that extra mile and be that guy, yes, you can match your already expensive iPhone 11 Pro down to a T. Make sure if you do match up your case and band, make sure to do a drip check and tweet me at JuanManuel_Cova. I'd love to see everyone's band and case combinations. Also, as a reminder, with these seasonal release of bands and cases, I'll be hosting a giveaway every season for your choice of a brand new Apple Watch band. If you want to find out how you could be one of 2 lucky winners to win a brand new Apple Watch band, stay tuned until the end of the video to find out how. Alright, darn it, lengthy intro. Anyway, let's just hop right in. Okay, so for those that are used to the retail packaging of these things, there's not much to it. It's this clear plastic so that you actually see the product. I like this design choice as more times than not, the silicone line normally consists of nice and bright colors. So to open, just pull on the green pull tab here on the back and simply dig in and get your case out. No manuals, no quick start guides, no nothing. Just be careful while inserting your iPhone in. Don't get carried away and drop it like that one kid did that one time on news television. Just a quick rundown of the silicone line. These bad boys here do retail for $39. That's right, folks, $39 for a case, but believe me, the money is well worth it in my opinion. Obviously, these cases are not indestructible and over time do weather, but as compared to cheap knockoffs and third parties, these seem to do a much better job at protecting your phone in the event of a back or side drop, but also hold up pretty well over time from my experience. But again, that's my experience. I know some people don't trust Apple's overpriced cases, and that's okay. One good thing I'm always thankful for on these cases is the microfiber material that lines the inside of the cases and protects your back glass from debris getting trapped back there and scratching it. So think about it as a mini pillow for your iPhone, because let's face it, your iPhone deserves that kind of treatment. The cutout for the back camera is perfectly aligned, and that's to be expected from a first-party accessory. You do have color-matched volume buttons that have a darker hue to them, and that same color matches the Apple logo on the back. The silicone line unfortunately does not get the clicky metallic volume buttons like the leather cases do, so the responsiveness isn't the same, and I honestly prefer the clickiness of the leather cases, but I'm just nitpicking at that point. But alright, let's get started with the colors, and I already went over all the new colors in my Apple Watch band review video for the summer bands, so if you haven't watched that video, click the card at the top right, but first, we'll get the best out of the way. I'm sure we can all unanimously agree that this is the best color of the 3 new ones released for the cases. You already know what it is. I'm talking about vitaminC. Look at how bright the orange is. My goodness. Like, guys, if you think that bright orange looks beautiful on the band, don't even get me started on the cases. In this case, pun intended, the more the merrier. And here we have plenty of that ultra vibrant orange. I unfortunately only have the green iPhone to showcase, but Apple's website does show the camera cutout with all the different colored iPhones. Not that it matters all that much. The only time people will notice your iPhone color with a case on is if they notice it through the camera module. This combination is definitely my favorite, and you best believe I'm gonna rock this combo up in the gym. Up next is linen blue. Now in the sport band, I was a tiny bit critical calling it somewhat bland, but now looking at it with the case on, it really suits the darker colored iPhones very well, especially on this midnight green here. It looks really good. It's definitely not the brightest blue, but that's okay. I actually think it's a really calming blue. I wouldn't be surprised at how well this combination would look on the space gray version of the iPhone as well. It's no superstar like surf blue, but still a nice color nonetheless. And finally, our last color is going to be Seafoam. Seafoam is interesting. I really like it. Like in certain scenarios, it could pass for a straight up white case, but upon closer inspection is when you begin to notice the very calm and relaxing green tint the case has to it. It really is a sleek color. I totally dig it and think it looks particularly clean when on the midnight green iPhone. It is much brighter than Beryl, another color available within the same silicone line, and I think Seafoam will be a popular one for sure. You might be wondering where the coastal gray case is, and I know, man, why Apple gotta discriminate on my boy coastal gray. Like, come on, man, it's such a nice color. Imagine this in a case. Wait, no, better yet, imagine a coastal gray case with a space black iPhone. Yo, now that combination would be sick, but sadly, Apple skipped out on creating what I think would be a super stunning case. It's definitely a missed opportunity. I think I'd consider that a bad Apple, honestly. So guys, there you have it. Like I said, nice and quick. Each new case matches 3 out of the 4 new colors also released for the Apple Watch Sport line. This is quite typical. I just wish Apple would give some love to the leather cases, as those are my favorite out of all of Apple's available cases. But guys, what do you guys think? Are these cases worth it for you? Which of the 3 new colors is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and before we end it, I didn't forget about the band giveaway. The rules are extremely simple. Just head over to my summer 2020 band review video, the link is in the description, and just drop a comment and give the video a thumbs up and you're entered. 2 winners will be chosen, so head over to that video for the official rules. The winner will be chosen on July 1st via Twitter, so go ahead and give me a follow there to stay up to date. Alright guys, it's been a quick one, but it's always a pleasure to bring you these videos. And as always, take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll catch you all in the next one.